Hey guys, this is S10. A new silver prism option is now available for Galaxy S10 Plus. This color is limited and exclusively for Vietnam, but it may hit the market to limited countries later on. Inside the box you find a Vietnam national team coach case, a Galaxy S10 Plus with a pre-installed theme and a regular power bank. These are official pictures from Samsung Vietnam site. You may notice the color are reflected in reddish, light blue and white. In fact, looking at different picture, you find a totally different color. This is due to the prism material. With silver, it will reflect different colors, but we can't confirm that until we get hands-on on the actual product. This is a limited edition and it will go on sale June 16 with a price range of $10-30 or lower. Anyways guys, that's basically it. If you like, subscribe if you haven't so, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.